Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add funds in SMMYFIT using NayaPay. First, open the SMMYFIT website. Then click on the Add Funds option. Now select NayaPay as your payment method. You will see a NayaPay number. Simply copy this number. Next, open your NayaPay app. Tap on Send Money and select NayaPay. Paste the copied number in the search bar. You will see a user named SMMYFIT. Select it. Now enter the amount you want to add to the website. Click on Next and complete the payment. After sending the money, tap on Share Receipt and copy the transaction ID. Go back to the SMMYFIT website. Paste the transaction ID in the given box. Enter the same amount that you sent. Now check the Terms and Conditions box and click on Pay. That's it. Your funds have been successfully added.